Okay, so I will just to show you, I will keep going, creating more tension, and you will notice how the gluten will break. So those two spots, I don't know if you can see from the camera, have a look at how they will get bigger, and then they will create even more. So there is another one here, another one here. I keep going, so it will, yes, here we go. You see now the gluten is start to ripping apart. That's the sign that you need to stop. I just keep going for show you. Can you see? Those signs are gluten that is being ripped apart. So that's the time that you want to rest the dough, otherwise you will have a flat dough.